In this tutorial, you will learn the basic functions of the cropping screen. The cropping screen shows field-by-field information regarding cropping and fertilizer inputs and removals. Much of the information from the field screen is visible in the cropping screen, including acres, soil test results, soil type, field restrictions, and more. All cropping information can be quickly and easily entered for many or all of the fields by using the rotation wizard. In the rotation wizard, you can easily create unique rotations, or repeating sequences of crops regularly grown on the field. If you have many fields, it is advisable to use the rotation wizard to save time. More information on the rotation wizard can be seen in the rotation wizard tutorials. To add or delete years for a field, use the Add/Delete buttons denoted as plus and minus signs, or select the Add, Copy, Delete Years button. Here you can add or delete multiple years, copy crop years forward, and create or insert rotations. Cropping information including which crop was planted, yield, tillage, and other information can be entered on this screen for each field or by using the rotation wizard. Make note that SnapPlus operates in crop years, not calendar years. For example, though fall tillage may have occurred in 2019, it is in preparation for the 2020 crop, so it will be entered in the 2020 crop year. All crops must be chosen in the farm screen, and all nutrients must be chosen in the nutrients screen, or they will not appear on the cropping screen. More information on how to do this can be seen in the farm screen and the nutrient screen tutorials. Other information like meeting lime needs, whether a field has been irrigated, and MRTN can be accessed and changed in the cropping screen as well. These parameters will be addressed in further videos on the cropping screen. The UW recommendations are listed along with the prior year's extra nutrients. An adjusted recommendation is then given below. The first and second year legume credits are listed in the next line. Legume credits can be adjusted through the use of the rotation wizard or by clicking in the legume credits row. The Edit Legume Credit box will appear. Make adjustments as needed. Next is the Manure Credits. This only applies if you chose to take the second or third year manure credits in the farm screen. This year's manure and this year's fertilizer can be adjusted by clicking anywhere within the Manure and Fertilizer Applications row. The Nutrient Application Planner will then open. Here you can see a list of manure available for that year. You can also add or remove fertilizer and manure here and apply nutrient systems. Any issues with the manure or fertilizer applications will be flagged on this screen with an explanation. More information can be found in the video on using the Nutrient Application Planner. After any manure or fertilizer is added, and credits accounted for, the total credits and applications are shown, along with over and under numbers for comparison with the recommendations. Below is the Phosphorus Index calculation. You will learn more about the Phosphorus Index in the video on running the Phosphorus Index calculation. On the right side of the screen is a rotational setting showing how many crop years are actively involved in the current crop rotation, as well as whether contouring or filter strips were used on the field. Also found in this area is average soil loss calculations along with allowable soil loss in tons per acre or T for this field. Average P index and crop rotation phosphorus and potassium crop removals and balance are here as well. These are the basics of the cropping screen. To learn more about the cropping screen, follow along with our other videos in this series.